Assalamualaikum. Here is 100 new food menu card design for Corel. Here is the first cover and menu, but these are protected password in this app. I know for lifetime all password in this app. Here is my Facebook page, join me, and last is my Telegram channel. Subscribe this for latest notification. Okay, so here open this one. You see, and you can change everything like this one. Okay, now same thing here. Price, food menu card, your text here. Amazing. So you can change everything in the CDR file, but you need first this app for access of any data of my website. Okay, subscribe me and follow this page. Last is Telegram channel. Subscribe this. Take care. I love you.